Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer data from iPhone to USB flash drive. To transfer data from your iPhone to your USB flash drive, the first thing you need to do is to connect your iPhone to the PC with a light-in to USB cable. Grant trust permission on your iPhone and then you can simply browse the photos on your iPhone. Open up your phone drive and then click to open the DCIM folder. After that, click to open the folder where you want to transfer the photos. Now, from this folder, right-click on the image you want to transfer. Then click to copy the image from here. Once you copy the image, get back to your PC and choose to open the drive where you want to store or transfer the image. After getting to the disk, paste the image here. Just like that, you can copy the image or data from your USB drive and paste it back in your computer drive. Now right-click on the image and view its properties from here. Then, tap to see the details of the image, like the original file name, size, and everything. You can see the general information of the photo from here. To transfer the photo, right-click on it and copy the photo. Then paste it into the drive where you want to transfer it. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.